Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I basically built out a progressive web application which directly runs in the browser. It's actually a Next.js video editor where you can actually edit your videos directly in the browser. All the processing take place directly in the browser. It's a single page progressive web application. So we are running it on localhost, and it's actually a timeline based editor where you can actually add your video. You can also add images, text, your own audio as well. Then we can export the different edits that you have made. So this is my video that I edited. I basically added the text here. You can even change the color of the text here accordingly, and you can place it, change the position of the text as well. Same goes with image as well. You basically have the image here. You can control the size of the image. You can just see here, and then you can even control the X position, Y position using these sliders. So you basically have all the control that you need to actually edit videos. And then you can even change the resolution as well of the video, quality of the video, processing speed as well. And then you click render, and FFmpeg WebAssembly will actually do the processing frame by frame. And when it completes, you will actually see the output video created, and then you will be able to download the output video. So if you need the source code of this project, I have given the link. You can directly purchase it. So I written this project from scratch. So each and every file is customizable. You can actually add more features on top of this project. So we are using the latest version of Next and React, as you can just see here, for this progressive web application. And we are also using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, Remotion as well. So it directly runs in the browser as a progressive web application. So when the processing completes, you will actually see the output video created. And if you don't know, WebAssembly is actually a library which allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. So we are actually using this. If you just write here FFmpeg WebAssembly, so this is essentially this library that is actually powering this application. So we are using this. So now you will see the output is there for you to download. So this is your output video which is successfully edited, and you can simply download that as well. So if you're interested in this project, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. You have all the options here for adding text, images. You can even split your video as well. So you can even cut the video, duplicate, delete. All the controls are there. And the thing is that it runs directly in the browser as a progressive web application.